In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to remove GCash from Spotify. So first head over and launch your Spotify app and of course consider logging into your account. Now at the top left corner of your screen, click on your profile icon. Then next is click on settings and privacy. From here, click on your account, then click on your existing plan. Now, if you're currently subscribed to a Spotify plan or subscription, you should see an option here to cancel your plan, especially if you chose GCash as your payment option. Canceling your plan will also remove GCash from your Spotify account. Another way is by heading to Play Store. Then next, at the top right corner of your screen, click on your profile icon, then click on Payments and Subscriptions. Once again, click on Subscriptions. Now, if you see your Spotify subscription right here, all you have to do is click on it and go ahead and cancel your subscription. In that way, your GCash will be removed from Spotify. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!